In today's video, I am going to ask you just 5 questions. For every correct answer, you get 1 point. You have 5 seconds for each question. No translating, no pausing. Ready? Let's go. Question number 1, which is correct? I am waiting to you or I am waiting for you. I will give you only 5 seconds to figure it out. The correct answer is B. We always say waiting for someone. 1 point if you got it right. Question number 2. The movie was very dash. Is it A bored or B boring? The correct answer is B. Boring. The movie is boring, which make you feel bored. Question number 3. I look forward to dash you. A meet or be meeting? The answer is B, meeting. After look forward to, we always use the verb with ing. Okay, now move to the next question. If I dash his number, I would call him. Is the correct answer is A, had or B, will have? The correct answer is A, had. When we imagine a situation that isn't real right now, we use the past tense had after the word if. Now, final question. Look at the spelling carefully. I need some dash on this project. Is it A, advice with a C or B, advice with an S? The answer is A. Advice with a C is a noun. Advice with an S is a verb. Since you need something, we use the noun. Alright, the test is over. How many points did you get? If you got 0 to 2 points, you are at a beginner level. If you got 3 to 4 points, you have a solid intermediate level. Great job. And if you got a perfect 5 out of 5, you are advanced. Excellent work. Please tell me your score in the comments below. I would love to read them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Learning with Anjali. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.